Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart English World. I am Shruthi, and in today's lesson, we are going to improve your everyday English by replacing some common very plus adjective expressions with stronger, smarter words. Do you use the word very all the time? Very good, very tired, very happy, very difficult, very beautiful. There's nothing wrong with using very. But if you use it again and again, your English can sound repetitive. So today, I'm going to teach you 10 smart power words that can make your daily, everyday English sound more natural, expressive, and confident. And do not worry. These are practical words you can actually use in conversations. So let's get started. Very tired or exhausted. Instead of saying I'm very tired, try I'm exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired. Very happy or delighted. Instead of saying I'm very happy, say I'm delighted. Delighted means extremely happy or pleased. Example, I'm delighted to hear the good news. This word is also useful in professional situations. For example, I'm delighted to be part of the team. Sounds more polished, right? Very big or enormous. Instead of saying that's a very big building, say that's an enormous building. Enormous means extremely large. They live in an enormous house. So remember, very big means enormous. Very small means tiny. Now let's go in the opposite direction. Instead of saying it's very small, say it's tiny. Tiny means extremely small. Example, look at that tiny puppy, or the text on my phone is tiny. So very small means tiny. Very hungry or starving. Imagine you haven't eaten all day. Instead of I'm very hungry, in casual English you can say I'm starving. It means you are extremely hungry. Example, I haven't eaten since breakfast. I'm starving. Remember, starving is often an exaggeration in everyday conversation. So very hungry means starving. Very cold means freezing. It's winter and the temperature is extremely low. Instead of saying it's very cold, say it's freezing. Example, close the window. It's freezing here in here. You can also say I'm freezing when you feel extremely cold. So very cold means freezing. Very hot means boiling. Now let's talk about the opposite. Instead of saying it's very hot today, say it's boiling today. Example, it's boiling outside. I don't want to go out. Again, This is commonly used as an exaggeration in informal English. So, very hot means boiled. Very beautiful means gorgeous. Here's a useful word. Instead of she looks very beautiful, say she looks gorgeous. Gorgeous means extremely beautiful or attractive. Examples: here's a gorgeous dress. What a gorgeous view. Your garden looks gorgeous. So, very beautiful means gorgeous. Very difficult means challenging. Instead of this task is very difficult, try this task is challenging. Challenging means difficult and requiring effort or skill. This word is particularly useful in professional English. Instead of saying this project is very difficult, you could say this project is challenging, but it's achievable. That sounds more professional and positive. So, very difficult means challenging. Very important means crucial. And finally, instead of say this is very important, say this is crucial. Crucial means extremely important or necessary. Example: communication is crucial for a successful project, or it's crucial that we meet the deadline. So, very important means crucial. Quick revision. Let's see how many you remember. Very tired, exhausted. Very happy, delighted. Very big, enormous. Very small, tiny. Very hungry, starving. Very cold, freezing. Very hot, boiling. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Very difficult, challenging. Very important, crucial. Excellent. Now it's your turn. I'll give you a sentence with very. Try to replace it with a stronger word. I'm very tired afterward. Pause this video and think about your answer. Or pause the video and think about your answer. The answer is I'm exhausted after work. Question 2. It's very cold outside. The answer is it's freezing outside. Question 3. This is very important. The answer is this is crucial. That's a very big company. The answer is that's an enormous company. Question 5. I'm very hungry. The answer is I'm starving. Now, here's something important. I don't want you to completely stop using the word very. The word very is perfectly correct. The goal is simply to avoid overusing it. It is if every sentence sounds like very good, very nice, very interesting, very difficult, very important, your vocabulary can start to sound repetitive. Instead, choose a stronger and more precise word when appropriate. But don't use complicated vocabulary just to sound intelligent. Use the right word for the right situation. That's what makes your English sound natural. Here's your challenge for today. Try to replace three very expressions in your conversations. For example, very tired, exhausted, very important, crucial, very difficult, challenging. So you have to replace very tired with exhausted, very important with crucial, very difficult with challenging. Now write your own three sentences in the comments. For example, I was exhausted after work today. I'd love to see your sentences. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Smart English World. If you want to improve your English vocabulary, speaking, pronunciation, and interview communication, make sure you stay connected with us. Remember, don't just learn more words, learn better words. Thank you for watching Smart English World. I'm Shruthi and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English.